Hello, this is Billy Core from home of CarolinaCircleMall.com with the conclusion of Fatty Bear's birthday surprise. We're finally going to bake that cake. Let's get started.
Okay, eggs, do your stuff.
Okay, that's a weird sound.
Yummy. 1 cup mini chocolate chips. It's time for baking powder. Now the cake will puff up like a pillow. Vanilla smells good. I need 1/2 cup of milk. I hope I don't spill it.
Not sure if milk cartons are supposed to work like that, you know?
Oh, am I careful. I need 1½ cups of flour. I need 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Here we go. Bullseye. I am mixing a birthday cake, a birthday cake, a birthday cake. It is one I soon will bake for Kayla's birthday party. I'm all done making the batter. Now I need to bake it.
I'll put the cake in the oven for you, Fatty.
Thank you very much, Matilda Rabbit.
Was it oven powered by plutonium or something? It was fast.
The cake is done.
It smells wonderful.
Now you can decorate it.
Let me pause for 1
Decorating
second
will be
and I'll
fun.
post a special message in this cake. And there we go. Take a close look at that message. It's from yours truly.
Here it is, a chocolatey chip birthday cake.
That's lovely. You are an excellent cake baker, Fatty Bear. I'll carry the cake up to the bedroom for you, Fatty Bear.
Thank you very much, Matilda Rabbit.
We should do this every night, Fatty Bear. This is fun. You can make another cake if you want to. The ingredients are on the counter.
Okay, now let's head back up to the bedroom and put those letters on the bulletin board.
Gretchen, I have some letters for the happy birthday sign.
Oh, thank you. Would you please put the letters on the bulletin board for me?
Sure I will, Gretchen.
Okay. Simple enough.
Hooray, hurrah! I spelled happy birthday. Whew, all done. Now
And that's the end of
everything
the
is
game,
ready for
pretty much.
Kayla's party.
Fatty, you have done a wonderful job. I'm so excited. I hope Kayla wakes up soon.
I'm so worried and I'm feeling quite sick. Fatty Bear, get to bed quick.
Good morning. Oh my goodness, what a surprise. Everything looks beautiful.
Happy birthday, Kayla! We have a surprise for you.
Oh, a puppy. This is the best birthday I ever had. Thank you, Fatty Bear. Oh, thank you, everybody.
That was creepy looking. It is like in every other Humongous Entertainment game. Flying
Bye.
around
Thanks
the
for
end.
helping.
It's Billy Core signing off.